Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mention a team member in your conversations on Slack really quickly and without any advanced technical skills or knowledge whatsoever. So let's get started. In the first step, head over to Slack and enter the conversation where you would like to mention your team members. So just for the sake of this tutorial, let me use the conversation with the Slack bot here. And what you want to do after that is simply type in your message here, and to mention someone, let's say a user from a team member, what you want to do is here in the text box is click on that button below, the @ icon here, mention someone, just like that, and simply pick the team member you would like to mention, like yourself, for example, or any other team member by selecting it with a left mouse. And there you go. As you can see now, the given user has been mentioned. You can hover your mouse over the given mentioning, and then you will see an overview of the given profile. And that's basically it. You can start your message here, type it in here, and the given user will then be notified because you have mentioned the given user. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.